Hey Ron, it's Michael and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you something slightly off-centre, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Something we've seen through before, kind of.
Kind of. We've certainly seen the 1 ounce. Did we ever do the 10 ounce?
I was just thinking about that. I remember I've seen some come through for sure. I know some people got them themselves. Could have been through us, but yeah, they're blending together a little bit, Michael.
So this is one of those bottom of the drawer, bottom of the pile things that we picked up from a wholesaler. We bought enough to sell. We did not buy enough to generate its own listing on the web. So these are actually going to be sold as buyback silver coin 10 ounces.
There are more than just this box as well.
Absolutely there is. I just wasn't carrying the pallet into the studio.
That's fair enough.
So they've come in. They are, again, new old stock, old new stock. I don't know what you call it, but it's that. This has come straight from the wholesaler. Like I said, we did get quite a few, but we didn't. We're going to sell them as buyback silver coins 10 ounce. So if you're randomly looking for it on Google or anything like that, if you type in Bullion Now BSC10Z, these will come up.
As people often do, I'm sure.
That's it. That's exactly right. That's the internal code for it. And they are a very cool design. They come in, obviously they're 10 ounces. They come in packs of 3 of them or boxes of 15. There you go. I was well out. So boxes of 15 if you're after a box. And you can see there, it's that traditional Robin Hood pose with the English forest in the background.
That's it. I quite like the dimples patterning in the background as well. A bit of a security feature, but a nice addition to the background as well.
Yeah. You can see the obverse. We've got Queen Elizabeth because these are a 2022 production, I believe.
2023.
23 production. Yeah, you're right.
As a part of the Myths and Legends.
Yeah. So we don't have thousands of these in stock, but we do have quite a few. But if you're looking for them and you want these, they'll be under buyback silver coins 10 ounce and or BSC10Z if you're really keen on following our nomenclature in the back end.
The link will be down below, I think, in the description. That'll be the quickest and easiest place.
All right. While stocks last.